In this tutorial, we will show you the step-by-step process of importing MBOX to Zoho Mail using the BitRecover MBOX Converter Wizard. To install our BitRecover MBOX Converter Wizard, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch the software. To begin, click the Next button. This tool provides users with select file or select folder options. Users can choose either one of the available options. Click Next. Check on checkbox to select the folder that you want to export. Click Next. Select a saving option allows you to save the file in your desired format for conversion. Let's select IMAP option for this tutorial. Enter your Zoho Mail account credentials, and then IMAP host and IMAP port number. Next, simply click the Convert button, and the import will begin. Once the import is completed, you'll receive a notification indicating that you have successfully imported MBOX files. Click OK, and open the Zoho Mailbox to access the newly imported MBOX files. Let's take a look at advanced filter options of our tool. Here user can see multiple export options to be included or excluded in converted files, such as date range, from, to, subject, exclude folders, and others. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.